let's unbox our power mounting box. This is the mounting box. This box has been designed to be used both indoors and outdoors and will hold the largest and heaviest of the power supplies, the outdoor rated 600 watt 48 volt. It will also easily fit smaller power supplies. This box was designed as a standalone power mounting box that could be hung in a garage, under an eave, on a post, or wherever power was needed for your particular project. Keep in mind, when you're mounting this box, use a stud finder to find studs to secure into. If no studs are available, use drywall anchor screws. If you're hanging near an outlet, consider where electrical wires might be running beneath the drywall before you do any drilling. Watch our power supply and power box assembly video for more information on this item. We do have an alternate mounting box solution that is designed for indoor installation only and will include a fan, controller, and power supply in one single locking enclosure.